So when we are describing the end behavior of a polynomial function, we basically have four scenarios that we can have when we're describing the end behavior. What we're going to check out is we're going to check out, first of all, the leading coefficient. So this is kind of a leading coefficient test. When I say the leading coefficient, you'll notice in this first one here, the leading coefficient is -1. So we would say that that is negative. And with that leading coefficient, the exponent is a 3. So we'd also say it's odd. So when it's negative and it's odd, the basic end behavior looks just like this, which means if we're describing that, the left-hand behavior, it's rising to the left and it's falling to the right. Okay, scenario number 2, if we look at this leading coefficient, notice the leading coefficient is 1, so that's a positive. And the exponent is a 5, so that is still odd. So when it is odd positive, the basic end behavior looks like this. So we would say it's falling to the left. And it's rising to the right. Okay, let's go down to the next example. F of x equals 3x to the 4th plus 2x. Notice on this one, leading coefficient is 3, that is positive. The exponent is a 4, that is even. So when it's positive and even, we know the basic end behavior looks like going up and up. So this is rising left and rising right. If we go to the fourth scenario, notice the leading coefficient here is -2, so that is negative. And the exponent is a 6, that's also even. So the basic end behavior for even and negative is falling left and falling right. Again, that just helps us describe the end behavior of our polynomial function so that when we are going about trying to sketch the function, we can use that leading coefficient test just to see what the end behavior looks like.